Political day amid tight security in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, workers, MPs are now staging a protest outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. They weren't given permission for the march to the BJP headquarters as they hadn't sought permission. Now CM's PA Bibhav Kumar has been sent to 5 days of police custody in a midnight order, even as the medical report by the AIIMS Delhi has confirmed Swati Maliwal's injuries in her left leg and below the right eye. Now, Swati Maliwal has also accused Bibhav of slapping her 7 to 8 times, kicking her in the stomach and also pelvis. Aam Aadmi Party, though, has shared 2 purportedly edited videos alleging that Swati Maliwal was fine and walking well, indicating no injury.
कृपया ध्यान दें, ये जगह यहाँ पर धारा 144 लगाई गई है और आप लोगों का ये जमाव है वो विधि विरुद्ध है। आप लोगों ने कोई परमिशन नहीं ले रखी है, लिहाजा यहाँ से जितनी जल्दी हो आप लोग तितर बितर हो जाएं, वरना आप लोगों के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
विभव क्या कहोगे? स्वाति मालीवाल को थप्पड़ क्यों मारा आपने? विभव क्या कहोगे? स्वाति मालीवाल को क्यों मारा?
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आम आदमी पार्टी को पूरी तरह से खत्म करने और कुचलने का इरादा बनाया है, क्रश करने का इरादा बनाया है। उसके लिए इन लोगों ने एक ऑपरेशन चालू किया है अपने अंदर, जिसका नाम है ऑपरेशन झाड़ू। बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलने जाते हैं, उनमें से कई ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो हमें भी जानते हैं, उनसे मिलके आते हैं और हमें भी जानते हैं। उनसे मिलके आने के बाद वो हमें बताते हैं। मोदी जी का कहना है कि आम आदमी पार्टी बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रही है, इनके कामों की चर्चा पूरे देश में होने लगी है और आने वाले भविष्य में राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे और कई राज्यों के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी बीजेपी के लिए कड़ी चुनौती हो सकती है। इसलिए जरूरी है कि इस पार्टी को अभी तुरंत खत्म कर दिया जाए, इसके पहले कि ये पार्टी ज्यादा बढ़े। इस ऑपरेशन झाड़ू के तहत आम आदमी पार्टी के बड़े नेताओं को गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा, गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। आने वाले समय में आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट्स को सीज किया जाएगा। ईडी का वकील ऑलरेडी कोर्ट में ये बयान दे चुका है कि चुनाव के तुरंत बाद आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट सीज किए जाएंगे। ये मैं अपनी मर्जी से नहीं बोल रहा। उन्होंने कहा अभी सीज करने थे, लेकिन अभी हम इनके सीज करेंगे तो इनको सिंपैथी मिलेगी, तो चुनाव के बाद वो आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट सीज करेंगे और आम आदमी पार्टी को दफ्तर खाली करा के आम आदमी पार्टी को सड़क पे लाया जाएगा।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी एक एक करके आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी नेताओं को जेल में डाल रहे हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें अरविंद केजरीवाल के काम से डर लगता है। वो 24 घंटे बिजली नहीं दे पाते, वो फ्री बिजली नहीं दे पाते, वो बच्चों को अच्छे स्कूल नहीं दे पाते, वो मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में अच्छा इलाज नहीं दे पाते। इसलिए वो आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, क्रश करना चाहते हैं।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं, तो वहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल पर आरोप लगा रही है। इस पूरे विषय पर हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए दिल्ली प्रदेश अध्यक्ष वीरेंद्र सचदेवा है। सर, आज अरविंद केजरीवाल आप बीजेपी के खिलाफ सड़कों पर उतरे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
अरविंद केजरीवाल सड़कों पर उतरे, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता ने उन्हें अपने दिल से उतार दिया है। एक मुख्यमंत्री अपने आवास में एक महिला के साथ अपनी मौजूदगी में मारपीट करवाता है, अभद्रता करवाता है और उसके बाद गूंगा बन के बैठ जाता है, एक शब्द नहीं बोल रहे। 20 साल उस महिला ने इनके साथ काम किया है, आज भी वो इनकी पार्टी की राज्यसभा सांसद है। अरविंद केजरीवाल के पुराने वीडियोस देखिए। स्वाति मालीवाल झांसी की रानी है, स्वाति मालीवाल क्रांति की मशाल है, स्वाति मालीवाल महिलाओं की आवाज है। तो उस आवाज को कुचलने वाले अरविंद केजरीवाल अब एक शब्द उसके बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हैं, एक शब्द। आज 7-8 दिन हो गए हैं, एक शब्द उसके मुंह से नहीं बोल रहे।
सर,
अरविंद केजरीवाल इतना तो बोलें कि हाँ मेरे घर में ये घटना घटी है और मुझे उसका अफसोस है, इतना भी नहीं बोल रहे। तो आप समझ लीजिए कि महिलाओं का सम्मान, महिलाओं का आत्मसम्मान इनके लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता। इनके लिए मायने रखता सिर्फ भ्रष्टाचार, चोरी, लूट और मक्कारी।
उनका कहना है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ऑपरेशन झाड़ू लगा दिया, आप लगाया, और प्रधानमंत्री ने, उन्होंने कहा कि आम आदमी पार्टी तेजी से ऊपर जा रही थी और उसको रोकना बहुत जरूरी है, वरना भविष्य में वो हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर बन जाएंगे। इस वजह से वो बांटना चाहती है और पूरा षड्यंत्र भारतीय जनता पार्टी
आम आदमी
है।
पार्टी तेजी से गर्त में जा रही है। जितनी तेजी से ये निकले थे उससे डबल तेजी से ये गर्त में जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनके मुंह में भ्रष्टाचार का खून लग गया है। पैसा कमाने की होड़ है आम आदमी पार्टी में। और आम
दिखाता है कि ये पूरी की पूरी जांच सिर्फ और सिर्फ आम
Right, so lots happening there as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, and also in the national capital. My colleague Nikhil joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Nikhil, this is of course a matter that's escalating further every passing day, and looks like this is turning out to be a big bone of contention between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, give us more details as per this case, and also what's the latest as far as the investigation is concerned.
Well, in a latest, as far as the investigation is concerned, a while back the Delhi police officials reached out yet again at the official residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to collect the further evidence, and the team had also taken some of the equipment as well along with them in a proper suitcase. And the sources are telling us within the Delhi police department is said the DVR has been collected for the CCTV footages, but yesterday, if you go by the detail, when Bibhav was produced in the court of law, Delhi police informed the court that the DVR or the dump data which has been given from the Chief Minister's residence, it is somewhere or the other patchy or blank in many of the largely, by and large, it was blank. So this is something which is one of the serious allegations which has been made by the Delhi police. But now, during the 5 days of remand, the questioning is going to take place, and as we speak, there is a questionnaire proper which has been prepared by the Delhi police, which is going to be asked from Vibhav. But furthermore, what we do know is that cell phone of Vibhav is password protected, particularly WhatsApp, and there are few of the crucial apps as per the Delhi police, they are also password protected and encrypted as well, and the Delhi police need proper time to go through entire cell phone, and the data as well has been dumped so far. It has been formatted in Mumbai. These are some of the allegations which have been made by the Delhi police in the court of law. But further, what we do know is that today Arvind Kejriwal had a massive showdown against Bharatiya Janata Party, and this was to shift the focus from Swati Maliwal to back to the BJP-led central government. And yet again, they reiterated their same line that the Bharatiya Janata Party is orchestrating this conspiracy. The face was Swati Maliwal, and they want to finish the party because it is expanding on a higher than the usual speed. So these are the things which we have seen so far.
Absolutely, Nikhil, like you're rightly pointing out, a lot happening there as far as the political developments are concerned. In fact, hold on there as we have some breaking news also that's coming in on the broadcast in connection to this assault case which is escalating every passing day. Now, amid Aam Aadmi Party's protest outside the party office, the visuals that we see on your screens right now, Delhi police has also collected evidence from the Chief Minister's residence. As far as the information that we are getting right now, the cops have collected the CCTV footage recording from Arvind Kejriwal's recording. This is the breaking as far as this entire assault gate is concerned with Swati Maliwal. In fact, we have some more breaking update that's coming in on the broadcast. A 5-day police custody for CM Kejriwal's PA. Now, Times Network has also accessed the court order on Bibhav Kumar. Now, Delhi Police's key submission in the court is that services of PA Bibhav was terminated, but Bibhav went to the same spot again. Now, chances of him tampering with the evidence is also high. This is what the documents that we're getting right now says. The CM's PA Bibhav did not cooperate in the probe. This is exactly what the cops are now telling the court now. Nikhil continues to be on the broadcast with us. Nikhil, this is of course escalating as we speak right now. Investigation front that, like you were talking about, the evidence that is collected from Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. But besides that as well, we're now seeing Delhi Police's submission in the court where they're clearly pointing out that his services were terminated, but he continued to stay on. And the fact that he'll be let out, he could potentially even tamper with the evidence.
Well, the tampering cases The tampering charges, so to say, have already been levelled by the Delhi police against Bibhav Kumar, and clearly this is something which is on the record as well. And the same has been informed to the Honourable Court of Law that Bibhav was arrested by the Delhi police from official residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And as far as the collection of the DVR and other data are concerned, the Delhi police is going to make sure that they come up with an airtight case, because each and everything which is collected as a part of the evidence by the Delhi police, they have to be produced in the court of law as a legal inquiry as well. So this is the reason a proper, not just questionnaire, there are statements which are to be recorded. Already the statements have been recorded from the side of Swati Maliwal. Questionnaire have already been asked from Bibhav. But there are other things as well which needs to be asked from Bibhav Kumar. This is the reason why the Delhi police sought 7 days of custody, 5 days has been given. But other remaining things as far as the occurrence of the incident is concerned, particularly the location, this is the reason why the Delhi police is going back to Arvind Kejriwal residence back to back. In last 2 to 3 days, we have seen a couple of times that the Delhi police officials along with FSL, they have entered Chief Minister's premises. But now we need to see as to how exactly and how swiftly the Delhi police takes all the details and all the inquiry in this particular case further. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. Absolutely damning evidence there coming to the fore as far as the CCTV footage is concerned. But of course, the big question continues to be what the Aam Aadmi Party is now claiming. In fact, they're claiming that this is, of course, something that an entire probe that is being made up politically, an entire assault gate that is being now escalated politically by the opponents. On the other hand, now there are also being apprehensions as far as the footage is concerned, questions on whether it has already been tampered with. There was, of course, reports that claim that the phone of Bibhav Kumar was also reformatted. So a lot there happening as far as the investigation front is concerned. We'll keep coming back to you for more on that. But shifting focus down south now.